In this lesson, I want to show you how to manage the voting part, the voting in the comment. One of the first things that you need to do is to make sure that on the configurations part that you go over to the vote and comment section, this tab here. And by the way, you get to that from going to the components. You go to CM coupon listing, and then you click on options. So that's how you get to this part. This is where you configure everything. Make sure that if you want to utilize the voting part, make sure that the enable is click on the vote. You get to choose who can vote. Do you want this to be registered only? That means that only people with an account on your site can vote. You want it to be, guests can vote, or make sure that ask questions. Who can ask questions? And also you want to make sure you enable the comment and who can comment. If you want to add a CAPTCHA, you can do that as well. You can choose the pagination area. How many comments do you want per page? So I'm just going to leave this here at the default. So once you've done those things, you can save, because if you don't have this enabled, your screen is not going to look like this. So right now, this is the coupon section here, and this shows you the success rate or percentage, the number of votes, and is the coupon good, yes or no. This is a really great way for people to come on the site. They can, if they click on the coupon and it works, they can come back here and say, yes, it works. If it doesn't work, they can click no. So how that works is that, let's say I want to, check out this 25% off. So I'm going to click on this. And by the way, I'm logged in. So when you're logged in, these are the only people that can vote. Because of the settings we have in the back end, the general public or guests can vote. So let's say I want to activate this deal here, and I click on activate deal, and it gives me this message here, and I click on this. So it brings me now to this website, which is the learnjoomlafast.com, and everything went through and everything worked great. Well, as a user of the site, I can come back here and say, okay, wow, this is a great coupon, and I can just click on yes. So it's going to ask you, I saved, for example, how much, let's say something was, $10, for example, and they're having a deal for, you can get it for $1. So they can come here, they can say they saved $9. They can put that there. And I bought package 1, share my saving. So now say your vote is submitted successfully. Thank you for your feedback. Close. So what's going to happen here is that, let's go back here to the page. You're going to notice that it's changed. That this now has a 100% success rate by 1 vote. Last vote was yes. This is really, really important, because if this is going to determine the coupons that are good. As a site owner, you want to make sure that the coupons in your site are helping people save money, or giving them special discounts. Because if you have something that has a 3% success rate, then a lot of people will not click on it because the success rate is very low, especially if you have a 3% success rate and there's about, 100 votes, about 100 different people. So that lets you know that particular coupon, it's time for you to do something about it. You can either, contact the merchant, or you can disable that coupon because it's no longer effective. And then also on the back end here, let's go back here. You can also manage the votes. As the site owner, you have 100% control over everything on the site. So let's say that a user came in and, they've voted. Well, when you come on the back end here, you can see the coupon that they chose. You can see the user that used that coupon. You can see if the vote was a good vote or if it was a bad vote, and you can see the saved amount. And also you can put in the currency for the amount here. You can also put in the currencies, which we're going to talk about currencies soon. And if it's bad, it says here reason of bad coupon. So let's just come back here. Let's say we go over to this Best Buy deal, and I'm going to click get coupon. So I go to merchant site, and let's say, the deal for whatever reason, it's not a good deal, it's no longer available, or whatever, it's just not working. So I'm going to come back here and I can click coupon, good coupon, and I say no. And you can share my experience. and you click share experience, and then you click on close. So let's go back now, refresh this page, or go back to the coupon page, and then you're going to see there's a 0% success rate. And right now, the last vote was no. So this gives you a good idea as the site owner to know the coupons that are good and the coupons that are not good. So when you refresh it again, you see here that the coupon is, it's no longer good. So this is great for you to monitor all the coupons on your site. And it's a one easy dashboard. You come to the vote section and all the details are right there in front of you, so you can better manage that. All right, let's move on to the next lesson.